This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preserving your session and opening the laptop's network panel. Save files, then go directly to Settings Network and Internet on Windows or System Settings Network on Mac OS. Once there, identify the active Wi-Fi or Ethernet adapter and jot down SSIDs, VPN names, and proxy settings so you can restore them if needed. Make sure to disconnect from any VPNs and disable third-party firewall utilities temporarily. This prevents interference when you reset network configurations. Now perform the actual reset depending on your OS. If you're on Windows, choose Network Reset in Network and Internet Settings, confirm Reset Now, and allow the system to restart. This removes adapters and restores defaults. On Mac OS, remove the Wi-Fi service, delete saved networks, and re-add the interface in System Settings. Make sure to reinstall or update your network adapter driver afterward. Use Device Manager on Windows or Vendor Downloads on Mac OS. Once done, reboot again to apply driver changes and clear cache states. Finish by reconnecting and verifying everything works. You should rejoin your Wi-Fi using the SSID and password you saved, then reconfigure VPNs or proxies you noted earlier. After connecting, test connectivity by browsing several websites, running a ping to 8 and checking a speedus to confirm throughput. If problems persist, try one key troubleshooting step. Reboot the router and your laptop, then use the OS network troubleshooter or try a different network to isolate the issue. If a driver still fails, reinstall it from the vendor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.